Hey, fellow food enthusiasts! Ever wondered how to get that perfectly cooked steak every single time? Or maybe those flawlessly tender vegetables that just melt in your mouth? Well, let me introduce you to the magical world of sous vide cooking. Sous vide, a term that literally means under vacuum in French, is a cooking technique that uses precise temperature control to achieve consistent restaurant quality results. So how does this culinary sorcery work? First, you'll need a sous vide machine, often referred to as an immersion circulator. This gadget heats water to a specific temperature and keeps it there, ensuring your food cooks evenly and precisely. No more guesswork, and definitely no more overcooked meals. Here's the fun part: preparing your dish. Start by seasoning your food, be it meat, fish or veggies, and place it in a food-safe plastic bag, removing as much air as possible. This can be done using a vacuum sealer or the water displacement method, where you slowly submerge the bag in water to push the air out. Then, seal it up. Now, set your sous vide machine to the desired temperature. For a steak, you might aim for around 129 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 degrees Celsius, for that perfect medium rare. Attach your bag to the side of the sous vide container or let it sink into a heat-safe vessel filled with water, ensuring it's fully submerged. And here's where the patience comes in. Cooking times can vary based on what you're preparing. A steak might take about 1 to 3 hours, while tougher cuts like brisket could go for 24 hours or more. But trust me, the wait is worth it. The controlled temperature ensures that your food is cooked evenly throughout without losing any of its juiciness or flavor. Once your timer dings, take out your bag, and here's the optional but recommended step: sear it. Just a quick sear in a hot pan can give your sous vide steak a delicious crispy exterior. So, there you have it. With sous vide, you've just elevated your kitchen game to the next level. Whether you're a cooking novice or a seasoned chef, mastering this technique can open up a whole new world of culinary possibilities. Don't be afraid to experiment with different temperatures and cooking times to find what works best for your taste. Happy cooking, and let the feast begin.